Let's create this type of amazing rotating text animation, and I will tell you a bonus animation trick. So let's get started. Go to the video and create a blank page, and choose the background, and just go to the elements and choose the background. I will choose this one. You can choose any background according to your choice. So now I go to the text option here and just type sale. Now we are making text animation of Blessed Friday sale. So now go to the fonts here and choose your font. I will choose this one. I will increase the size of this text. Again type Blessed Friday. Decrease the size of it and make a copy of this and put it here. Now again make a copy of this. Press the shift button and group them all. Now here's the magic happen. Go to the effects tab and drag it down. Choose the curve option and adjust it to the 49. Now increase the size of this and put it here. Now make a copy of this text. Just increase the size. Now go to the effects tab and change the effect of this text into hollow and decrease the thickness of this. And now go to the layers option and show layers. Go into show layers and choose the first, ungroup them and choose the first circle and go to the animation and just rotate. Select the rotate option and select the second one and choose the rotate option. So here is the two option for the Canva Pro user. So you can also use if you are a Canva Pro users. Now group these two text. Press the shift button and unlock the ungroup the text. Now make a copy of it and increase the size of these text. Now again make a copy of until the page is empty. Now go to the layers options and choose show layers. This is select the sale text and just animate it. I will choose pop up. So now we will play our animations. Now we will create our second animation. Just choose this circular text and increase the size of it. And now I will type some text here. 250% off. Decrease the size of this text duplicate it, and I will just put any brand name here. Go to the animation. I will choose the breathe here. Now I will choose the animation of this and this text. I will choose typewriter. Now drag the circle and put it here. Now go to the effects option and choose the background. I will change the color of this into green, like bright color, and now I will decrease the spreadness of this to 0 and roundness is also 0. Increase the size of this and tada! Now we will play this animation and how awesome it is looking. So this is how you can create different rotating animation for your ad design or for your motion graphics. Here is a bonus and I will create for you. So let's create. We will just remove the curve, and now I will put the text here and make a copy of it. Now group all the text and decrease the transparency of the text. Just go to the animations and choose drift, and you can choose directions here. I just choose the right direction of this, and now we will play our animation. And how cool is this? So this is how you can create different animation, amazing animation tools in Canva. So I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any latest video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.